Ah, Mr. Tracy, I've been expecting you. It's time to view the statistics of tomorrow's mission. This is a pumpkin statue made in 1974 and is worth 50 million. This is what is going to be transported in, and this is his transportation vehicle. This is the crook who hired the guy who's driving the pickup truck, and this is the guy who drives the pickup truck.
Your job is to chase him away from the bar where there is no form of backup for him to run and hide. And then you will retrieve the stolen item and bring it back to safety. Is that understood, Mr. Tracy? I hear you loud and clear, Archibald. See you tomorrow. Come on, they don't have all day.
Hold on, the truck will be here soon. You just wait. These spyglasses are super epic. I can hear everything you're saying. Of course you can. That's why they're called spy glasses. Just focus on the mission, Mr. Tracy. It's about time. I trust you can get it there safely. You already know.
Is that red car following me? Yeah, he is following me. I gotta shake him. Uh-oh, looks like he made me. Okay, Mr. Tracy, there's a cliff. There is no way he's gonna jump that cliff. You got him now. Roger that. Hey, this car can fly, Archie. Right? Not to worry, Mr. Tracy. I have it under control.
I'm about to lose this rookie cop.
Don't lose him. Don't let him get out of our sight, Mr. Tracy. I'll do my best, Archie. Get out of here. Hands behind your back.